Hi, it's Kana. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you haven't been here before. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab. It was created by Rusol. Correct me if I'm wrong. I've talked to Rusol a lot, but never said that name out loud before or heard it. So please correct me if I'm wrong, but I love this idea. This project is going to be really fun. It is called Let's Get Loose. And so the point is to use loose products. Like I say, it was Rusol, so I'm going to have all the information down below. Y'all, I just want to put this out there because there seems to be some confusion between the ladies in the group, but Fantastic Ladies, like, look, y'all don't have to join the group. You can join any of our projects that you want to. You don't have to be in the group. The benefit of being in the group is, first of all, it's a lovely community of people who are so supportive and amazing, and there are a lot of the people that you've probably seen around anyway if you're project panning. They're super sweet. They're very supportive. They're helpful, tips and tricks. They got your back, you know what I'm saying? So the benefit besides that is just that you'll know about our projects before they come up, right? Before they're introing. So if you are a member of the Fantastic Ladies, there is a schedule where you'll be able to see everything that's coming up throughout the year as we add it to the schedule. So you'll get like a little advance notice, right? So again, you don't have to join. If you want to join a project, go ahead. Totally fine. Just wanted to put that out there because I think some people are confused by that. You don't have to be a member to join any of our projects, but it is nice because you get advance notice and you get this lovely community Facebook group where we kind of help each other out and support each other. So long story short, we are going to intro Let's Get Loose. I'm doing another project by Steph Lyons and Delyn, and it has nothing to do with this. I just kind of draw parallels. It's like kind of the complete opposite. So I'm kind of approaching them in the same way. I'm doing 3 products for that one, and I'm doing 3 products for this one as well because I have so much going on and I really want to join, and I really just like, it's all about loose powder products, right? They're not going to go bad or anything like that, but on that, we let them sit because they're not going to go bad. And so they just kind of sit there. Maybe they're just more of a pain in the ass to use because they're loose. So it's messy, and we just say, oh yeah, I love that, but I just, not today kind of thing. And I kind of want to just do this project so I can get some use out of those things. I like them. I just don't want them to sit in my drawer because I don't want them to just sit there. I want to actually use them. I do really like them. So on that note, I'm going to introduce to you the products that I'll be using in this project. Okay, so first of all, this is the Becca Hydra Mist powder. It's like the, what is it called? Listen, I have terrible vision. I don't want to put my glasses on, but yeah, it's the Becca Hydra Mist powder. So there is no Hydra in here, not for a long time. I've tried to pan this before and it is still going. I am sick of looking at it. I want this gone. I'm just going to show you, like, there is so much nothing in here. Can you see that tiny little bit at the very bottom down here? Like, hello, you see that? Yeah, that needs to go. So I just want to finish this off and get it out of here and put something else in its place. I don't particularly like that powder. It's fine. It's not one of my favorites. Okay, so that's number 1. Let's look at the second item. Man, if you guys have been watching me for a long time, you might remember this. It is the, what's it called? The Color Tattoo from Maybelline Pure Pigments. And this one is called, yeah, this one is called Black Mystery. This has been in projects before. I don't know if you can see this, but it is about halfway done. You see that? It's pretty much halfway. So what this is, I'll try to show you, but it's a black pigment and it has like these turquoise sparkles in it. I'm not sure if you're gonna pick that up, but anyway, it's a black pigment with turquoise sparkles, loose pigment. It's real pretty though. I do like this, and I have used half of it, but this is like got to be one of the oldest things in my collection, and I am just so sick of looking at it. It's not that special. I like it, but I have stuff like this multi-chrome from Beauty Bar Baby that are just so beautiful, and this is just a black with little glitters in it, so it's cute. She cute, but she gotta go, so I'm panning that and getting it out of here. Now I was gonna kind of like do a different category, like a third category, but I didn't want to pan all those things, and I might be crazy for bringing eyeshadows in, like so many eyeshadows, because I am panning a lot of eyeshadows, like liquid eyeshadows, powdered like loose powder eyeshadows, pressed eyeshadows. I'm doing no pan left behind. So I might be crazy, but I'm gonna bring in this Meech and Mia, and it's like, it's purple is what it's called. So you look, you tell me what color this is. It's like a grungy, like purpley, I don't even know, brown. I'm into it. Let me see if I can swatch these actually. Ooh. Comes up a little pinker than I expected. So let me get the black one. Just me making a mess. Not sure how much of the purple one you're gonna see, but it's got kind of like, it's like a pinky purple. It's a little bit of like a grungy shift to it, and then here's the black mystery. So yeah, they're really pretty. The lighting's kind of messing with it. Sorry. But yeah, there they are. Black Mystery from Maybelline Color Tattoo, Meech and Mia Purple. So that'll be fun. Yeah. I don't know how long this is going to take me, honestly. This could take me a while. That's okay. This is a year-long project. Also, this one, there's going to be quarterly resets. So if I figure out that it's just driving me crazy with those eyeshadows, I may kind of swap them out and then come back later and bring them back in at a different refresh point, just to kind of take a break from them. You know what I'm saying? But I do really want to work through them because they are old. Like these are, the Meech and Mia is like from an Ipsy, and I have not had Ipsy in years. So it's gotta go. But yeah. So that is it. I'm just doing 3. I don't know if I said this, but you can do whatever you want. They just have to be loose powder products. I think the guidelines are like 3 to 6, just to kind of keep it. We didn't, you know, she didn't want to like limit it too much, you know. We just want people to have fun with it. So yeah, if you guys want to join in, all the information is down below. Like I said, you don't have to join Fantastic Ladies, but we would love to have you because it's just, it's fun. All right. So anyway, that's going to be it. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you would like to, you can do that down there. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.